Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to fix the issue when PayPal is not accepting your debit card. Let's get started. First, make sure your card details are correct. Open the PayPal website on your computer, go to Wallet and select Link a Card. Carefully re-enter your card number, expiry date, CVV, and billing address. Any mismatch can cause rejection. Next, check if your card is supported by PayPal. PayPal usually accepts Visa, MasterCard, American Express, and Discover. If your card is from a smaller bank or is a prepaid card, it may not be compatible. Then, ensure your card has enough funds. Some banks place a small authorization hold when linking cards, so make sure your balance can cover it. If the issue continues, remove and re-add your card. In your wallet, click your card, select Remove, then add it again after a few minutes. Also, confirm your card is activated for online and international transactions. You can contact your bank to enable these features if they're disabled. If you've tried all of these and it still doesn't work, try using a different browser or clear your browser's cache and cookies. Technical glitches can sometimes block new card links. Finally, if the problem continues, contact PayPal support. They can check if there's a block or security flag on your account. And that's it. These steps should help fix PayPal not accepting your debit card. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.